Morning students, this is history class 7 chapter 1 tracing changes through 1000 years and today is going to our last class on this chapter. पहले हम शुरू करेंगे ट्रू फॉल्स से. स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स. We do not find inscriptions in the period after 700. You will notice some continuity in the sources used by historians. By the study of this period, they still rely on coins, inscriptions, architecture and textual records for information. इसका मतलब हुआ जो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है वो फॉल्स है, क्योंकि 700 वर्ष के बाद का जो समय है उसमें हिस्टोरियंस इंस्क्रिप्शंस का प्रयोग करते हैं. सेकंड, द मराठास asserted their political importance during this period. Other groups of people such as the Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Ahoms and Kayas in their caste of scribes and secretaries also used the opportunities of the age to become politically important. तो जो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है वो ट्रू है. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट, forest dwellers were sometimes pushed out of their lands with the spread of agricultural settlements. Throughout this period, mean 700 to 1750, there was a gradual clearing of forests and the estimation and the extension of agriculture, a change faster and more complete in some areas other than in others. Changes in their habitat forced many forest dwellers to migrate. इसलिए जो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट है वो भी ट्रू है. लास्ट स्टेटमेंट, सुल्तान गयासुद्दीन बलबन कंट्रोल्ड आसाम, मणिपुर एंड कश्मीर. ए संस्कृत प्रशस्ति praising the Delhi Sultan Ghiyasuddin Balban from 1266 to 1287 explained that he was the ruler of a vast empire that stretched from Bengal, that is Goda in the east, to Ghazni or Ghazna in Afghanistan in the west, and included all the South India, that is Dravida. It means the last statement is false. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट और लास्ट स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है और जो बीच की दो स्टेटमेंट है वो ट्रू है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Archives are places where documents, manuscripts are kept. इसका आंसर हमें यहाँ मिलता है. आर्काइव किसे कहते हैं? अ प्लेस वेयर डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स आर stored. Today all national and state governments have archives where they keep all their old official records and transactions. Second fill-up, Dash was a 14th century chronicler. The 14th century chronicler Ziauddin Barni wrote his chronicle first in 1356 and another version 2 years later. Dash, 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 dash and dash were some of the new crops introduced into the subcontinent during this period. Potatoes, corn, chilies, tea, coffee were some of the new crops introduced into the subcontinent during this period. इस तरह से हमारी जो एक्सरसाइज है वो पूरी हो जाती है. ट्रू फॉल्स और फिलअप्स. कल हम सेकंड चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे. थैंक्स.